Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Group by Shalini. This is class 2 English grammar book Gulmohar, grammar and language skills for class 2. Today we will do worksheet 6. Now reading. Exercise A, read this poem. I am little bear cub, soft and brown. Here is my den, where I can be found. When the winter's over, hear me shout. Spring is here, I can't wait to go out. There is some word meaning. Cub, the young one of an animal. कब किसको कहते हैं? एनिमल के. किड को कहते हैं den. A cave where the bear lives. जहाँ बेयर रहता है उस जगह को den कहते हैं. शाउट, से समथिंग इन अ लाउड वॉइस. जब हम बहुत ऊंची आवाज में बोलते हैं उसको शाउट कहते हैं. स्प्रिंग की मीनिंग क्या है? द सीजन आफ्टर विंटर व्हेन इट्स नॉट टू हॉट एंड नॉट टू कोल्ड. जब बहुत ना ठंड होती है ना बहुत गर्मी होती है उसे हम स्प्रिंग सीजन कहते हैं. एक्सरसाइज बी, आंसर दिस क्वेश्चंस. इस पोएम से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आंसर है जिसको यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किया हुआ है. What color is the bear cub? The color of bear is brown. Where does the bear cub live? The bear cub live in the den. The bear cub can't wait to do what? The bear cub can't wait to go out. What do you think the bear cub does during winter season? I think the bear cub sleep during the winter season in his den. The bear cub will shout spring in here because B is correct answer. He is happy. Grammar and words. Preposition of place tell us where something or someone. Common preposition words are in, on, at, behind, under, over, in front of and between. For example, at the market, between the chair and wall, in front of the mirror, over the building, behind the curtain. Now exercise C. Complete these sentences with the correct word from the box. Common preposition words की हेल्प से हमें यहाँ पे फिलअप्स करना है. Behind, under, between, on, over, in front of. These are common preposition words. Pooja is sitting between her cats. यहाँ एक examples है. Look at the picture. This is Pooja and she is sitting between cats. Look at this picture. The hat is under the stool. Hat कहाँ है? Stool के नीचे है. Right here under. The kangaroo jumped over the fence. Next, Mani is sitting in front of the entire school. The vase is on the table. Vase कहाँ है? Table के ऊपर है. The lamp is behind the sofa. Now exercise D. Look at this picture carefully. Complete the sentences with the correct words. I hope this is picture of park. Look at this picture. There is a grandmother, some children, animals. Girl is playing, an insect, many trees and green grasses. Now complete this. It is Sunday. Everyone is at the park. Correct word is at the park. Rohan is playing hide and seek with his grandmother. He is hiding behind a tree. Correct word is behind. Asif is sitting on the bench. He is reading a book. Mona is eating an ice cream. She is standing between two trees. Lina is looking for her ball. It is under the bench. Look, the monkey is jumping over the bush. पिक्चर को देखते हुए किड्स को प्रीपोजिशन के करेक्ट वर्ड्स को यहाँ पे फिलअप करना है. Now exercise E. Match the animals with the correct action and make complete sentences. यहाँ 3 blocks हैं. फर्स्ट ब्लॉक्स में एनिमल्स हैं, सेकंड में उनके एक्शंस को दिया हुआ है और थर्ड में एनिमल्स और उसके एक्शंस को यहाँ पे हमें लिख के कंप्लीट करना है, जो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे कंप्लीटेड है। दिस इज पिक्चर ऑफ डक। डक के एक्शन को हम क्या कहते हैं? वैडल। इट डक वैडल। ऑलरेडी गिवन हियर, इट डक वैडल्स। दिस इज बर्ड। ए बर्ड। Fly, a bird fly. Right here, a bird fly. Next, elephant. Elephant walk and elephant walk. Horse. Horse के एक्शन को हम gallop कहते हैं. A horse gallop. This is rabbit. A rabbit hop. This is a snake. Snake crawl. A snake crawl. Now exercise F, reading aloud. There is a poem. Children should read it aloud with action for improve their pronunciation. Now start reading. Elephant, elephant, large and grey, swings his trunk along the way. His ears are big, his tusks are white. Don't be scared, he does not bite. Elephant, elephant, large and grey, swings his trunk along the way. इस तरह से आप किड्स को लाउडली बोलिए इसको रीडिंग करने के लिए, ताकि उनको वर्ड्स को अच्छी तरह प्रोनाउंस करने के लिए। नाउ डिक्टेशन। Listen to these groups of words carefully, then write them down. There is already completed. Now I am reading lions and tigers. The jungle, tall trees, green grass, fresh fruits, high hills. Dictation is very important for kids for improving their spellings. Now writing. Exercise H. The little bear cub likes springs. Complete these sentences to write about your favorite season. Little bear cub को तो स्प्रिंग सीजन बहुत पसंद है, जैसा कि हमने पोएम में पढ़ा। यहाँ पर फिलअप्स किया हुआ है। आपको जो भी सीज़न आपका फेवरेट हो उससे रिलेटेड वर्ड्स को आप फिलअप कर सकते हैं। यहाँ ऑलरेडी फिलअप किया हुआ है। माई फेवरेट सीज़न इज़ विंटर सीज़न। SEASON सीज़न। आई लाइक विंटर सीज़न बिकॉज इट्स कोल्ड। आई लाइक टू ड्रिंक हॉट ड्रिंक्स ड्यूरिंग द सीज़न। I wear woolen cloths. I like to eat carrot halwa during the season. Now worksheet 6 is completed. Please share my video, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.